really clean, right? Actually also changed these rear reflectors. Traffic! Oh no! What's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. The GR Yaris is finally back in the garage and we actually already did a track day in this setup. I have some film from the track day and I'll be putting that at the end of this video. So here it is guys. Apologies, the car is dirty because we literally just came from a track day and I haven't cleaned the car. Now over here at the front we have a few new parts installed on the car. First thing you'll notice is probably the lip kit over here at the front. This is actually the HKS Kansai service lip. And then apart from that, you can see that we have a tow hook over here. This is a Laile Beatrush tow hook. Check out what Carport 108 did. They were able to drill this area just so that this fits. And now it looks really clean, right? Yeah, this is a really clean job from Carport 108. And then over here you might see there are actually some bugs and leaves on the grill, because behind the front grill I've actually put another grill just to protect the intercooler from stone chips and other stuff that might fly into the car. So imagine if I didn't have those extra screen, all of these items would be flying inside and yeah, it's gonna be a mess. Of course, since we have the HKS front lip at the front, we have the HKS Kansai service side skirt at the side. So here it is. It's just a simple side skirt that runs across the whole side of the car. But over here, it actually extends a bit outside, which is something I actually like, which is a really nice touch. So here is what it looks like from the side. If you guys notice, it's actually very clean at the front and at the side. But over at the back, this is where we party. Because here at the back, we have the Garage Vari rear diffuser. So this is a two-piece kit. This is actually the first piece. So it goes from here, goes up like that, which replaces the stock diffuser. And then the second piece is actually this one. And if you take a look at it from the bottom, it's actually a full diffuser that goes all the way back there. And it hides the exhaust. And to be honest, I'm not sure if this is functional. Of course, we have a tow hook again over here. Again from Laile Beatrush. And what Carport did over here is the same as the front. They actually drilled a hole so that it would look clean from the outside. There you go. We actually also changed these rear reflectors. So originally, these are just plain reflectors, but now they actually light up. So when you turn on the park light, it actually turns on as well. And then if you actually press on the brakes, it actually lights up even brighter. So it's a double contact thing. So overall, this is what the car looks like currently. And we're still not actually done because we still have to return the car to Carport 108 actually, because there are some minor paint issues that we have to fix, such as the mismatch of color between the bumper and the body panels and some other stuff. Paint matching this red color was very hard because I don't know, I think it's a special color. That's why they couldn't get it right the first time. Yeah, we'll need to return this car to them so that they can perfect the color of the rear bumper. But yeah, anyway, that's a quick update on Project GR Yaris. And if you have any questions or comments about the kits that we installed on the car, feel free to comment down below so that I can answer you. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you could like this video and subscribe to my channel for future GR Yaris content. Anyway, here's the track day footage. Enjoy. What's up guys? We're here right now in the Algvan track day. They just opened the session for us. It's already 1:05 p.m. It is very hot. And my dad is riding shotgun with me here in the GR Yaris because we're gonna try to do a hot lap. It's my first time here using the GR Yaris. So let's see what it's capable of. guys was a 221.93, but we had that traffic over there. The STI didn't give us way kasi. So here is my tire temperature after that hot lap. 36, almost 37 yung harap. It's because I cannot afford to go down or else kakainin ko yung sidewall na ng tire. And that's because I lack negative camber sa harap. Yung 33 ko sa likod ngayon na hot, parang sakto naman siya for the stock na rear alignment. My God, we meet again. So ito guys yung Jazz GK ko from before. Sobrang nakakamiss. My seats are still here. Pero what the owner did was one din na triple gauge integrated tweeter pods. Shopee lang daw to. Pero yan, everything's still here. The short throw shifter, pedals, andyan pa. Such a good car. But I'm happy that the owner is using it very well sa racing scene.